Hola! We are going to be learning some places and objects in Spanish. I am super excited to film and share this video with each and every one of you because there's nothing more enjoyable than being able to share what you know with others. I have taken Spanish in school for 4 years, but I am still excited to continue my journey on learning more about this wonderful language, and I love to be able to also share all of what I've learned and am learning with each and every one of you. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. Let's get into this video. Escuela is school, colegio is an upper school, hospital is hospital, parque is park, llanteria is a tire shop, biblioteca is a library, libreria is a bookstore, casa is house. Now we're going to go over some objects. Pluma is an everyday pen. Bolígrafo is a ballpoint pen. Papel is paper. Camisa is shirt. Mesa is table. Horno is oven. Carro is car. Luz is light. Mochila is backpack. I hope that these places and objects have helped you understand Spanish a little better. I am super excited to be able to share so many more wonderful videos with conjugating verbs in Spanish and so many more objects and places and helpful phrases that are just wonderful to know in Spanish with each and every one of you. I love being able to share what I've learned and am continuing to learn, and nothing better than being able to share it with those that mean the world to me, which is each and every one of you sensational subbies that I'm extremely grateful for. Let me know in the comments down below some things that you'd like to learn in Spanish, and I will be including them in future videos because I love your input. Your input is super helpful to me and I really appreciate it. I would also really love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, and I love even more being able to share my wonderful, creative, witty hashtag answers with each and every one of you fantastic followers, as well as sharing on my Instagram posts and Instagram stories my latest thumbnails for my upcoming videos, as well as the countdowns for them, so you can click on the reminder so you don't miss out on any of my amazing upcoming videos. My Instagram is Comedy Creation, and I also have a Facebook page. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. But I will also include all of my social media in the description box down below so you can check out all of my social media. I can't wait to share many more wonderful videos with you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of the amazing, fun, wonderful videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I don't want you to miss any of them. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. See you in my next video. Bye, subbies.